How to enable cookies on Google Chrome? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Chrome on your device. So once you do that, you'll be able to see the home page of this project. So in order to enable cookies, you need to go to the site settings of Chrome. For that, you need to tap on the three-dotted vertical line of the right upper corner, and you have to go for settings option is the second last option. And from over here you have to go for settings option is the second last. And once you're here, you'll be able to see the various settings. You have to scroll down and you'll be able to see the site settings option. Simply tap on that. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the cookies option at first. Simply tap on cookies and you have to select the allow cookie option. And by doing that, cookies will be enabled. So this is how you can enable cookies on Google Chrome. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.